Go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I can read.
Yes, guys. Jacob can read. O, ipapakita po niya sa atin kung paano magbasa ulit. Ready ka na ba, Jacob?
Opo.
Okay, let's start. Okay. What letter is that, Jacob? Letter.
A.
Very good. What is the sound of letter A?
Ah.
Very good. Next, what letter is that?
M.
M. What is the sound of letter M? Very good. O, pag pinagsama natin si A at saka si M, paano siya basahin? A and M.
Okay, don't say it.
Okay. I will wait for you. Very good. Pakilakas? Very good. Okay. Next. What letter is that?
C.
C. What is the sound of letter C? C. Very good. Ang galing naman ni Jacob. Next. Paano kung lalagyan natin ng si K, lalagyan natin ng am. Paano siya basahin?
Wait.
K and am.
Come.
Very good. Galing naman. Next. What letter is that? D is for
D.
dog. Very good. What is the sound of letter D?
D.
Very good. Ang galing naman. D. Dagdagan natin ng am. Paano siya basahin? D and am.
Okay, wait.
D.
Come.
Very good. Ang galing naman. Kahit mabagal magbasa, pero sure ball ang paghihintay natin. Tama ang sagot ni Jacob. Next. What letter is that?
F.
F. Very good. What is the sound of letter F? Ang galing naman. Next, we will add am sa letter F. F and am. How will you read?
From.
Ang galing naman. Mabilis po siya ngayon, guys. Next, what letter is that?
H.
Very good. What is the sound of letter H? Very good, Jacob. H, lalagyan natin ng am. How will you read? Okay. Ham. Oh, gusto ko
Ham.
Yan, very good. Lakasan mo pa.
Ham.
Very good. Next, what letter is that? That is the letter of your name.
J.
J, malakas.
J.
What is the sound of letter J?
J. J.
J. Very good. J, lalagyan natin ng am. Paano siya basahin? J and am.
Jam.
Very good. Jam. Ang galing naman ni Jacob. Very good, Jacob. Hanggang sa muli, guys, you will watch the video of Jacob. Jacob, meron ka bang gustong sabihin?
Yes.
What do you want to say to your subscribers?
Friends.
Yes. Sige, tuloy mo. Please subscribe to my channel.
You can subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell.
Yes. Oh, hit that notification bell. Bye, guys.
Bye.